This is a Waypoints flight. It'll be 17 metres, and I've got 3 points of interest that the drone's going to fly to. So I'll go and display that where I'm going to go, and I can display that in just a map format. Or a hybrid format, and I've got 3 points of interest in there. One of those is a tree just over there. So if I go to the waypoints and next and go, it'll fly the whole thing for me. Continue. Moorabbin Airport's close, the drone's taking off, and it'll go and start at waypoint number 1. There she is, up 17 metres in the air. And it'll go to waypoint number 1 over there. And waypoint 1, 2 and 3 are going to focus on a point of interest, which is a tree. I should have had it pointed down. Anyway, we get the drift. And now we're at waypoint number 3, and it's coming around and focusing on point of interest number 2, which is just a random point in the middle of the park. And it'll continue to focus on that to waypoint number 5, and then swing around to focus on waypoint number 3, which is about where I am. Until it gets to the last waypoint, and at that point it'll do a return to home. That return to home feature is really cool. And so is that little shadow that it shows where it's going to land. Fantastic little job. And if I swing it around, that's where I am. Very good. So I'll turn off the camera for the drone and stop recording the screen first.